All right, this is Tony with MichiganCrownMolding.com's YouTube channel. Today, well, actually for the next few weeks, we're going to be doing a suspended coffered ceiling in this room. As you can imagine, doing a coffered ceiling in a vaulted ceiling would be next to impossible. So what we do is we suspend them. And I'm sure you're going to find it very interesting. Right now we're laying out our walls. You can see where we divided up the walls and now we're making our marks to where we know where the beams are going to go on the ceiling. We're also doing a judges paneling all throughout, all the way up with a soffit along the top. And if you stick around, we're going to show you step by step how we do the suspended coffered ceiling and how we do the judges paneling. I'm sure you're going to learn something. We can learn something together. You can tell me your tricks of the trade, which I would love. And it's a win-win for all of us. So see you next time, which was stupid.